Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a very simple style or hairstyle out of an old twist out. Oh my god, I can see I'm very close to the camera, but still at the end of it, you will be able to get the style. Okay, so for this hairstyle, you need to divide your hair into two sections, just like I've done. And the first style, you just get your hair bun, and we are going to do a low bun. Low bun, a low bun that also looks really cute. It's easy to make. Anyone can do it. And when you do the low bun, make sure it's not very tight. Make sure it's not very tight. Remember, at the end of the day, tension is not allowed. You're supposed to have your hair should be free. Your scalp should not be feeling any tension. So you see what you basically do is twirl the end of your hair and then tuck it right under the bun. And mine is a bit loose. I made it so loose, but you can also make it a bit tight, depending on the size of how big you want it to be. So that's it, guys. Very simple. And now we come to the front part. I like to have hair on my forehead. I just love the styles. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to loosely twist. Loosely twist. You can do tight twists if you want to, but I like it. The style looks better when it's not so tight. You can loosely twist. Not so loose again, but just medium loose twists. It also comes out very well, as you can see that I'm doing. And if you're still learning how to do twists, there are plenty of videos on YouTube that can direct you and show you how to twist. As you can see, I'm twisting. I like to keep my hair in protective styles when I really want to give it a break. And for me, twists have worked for me. I find it very easy to twist my hair. And this also explains the reason why maybe most of my hairstyles, I will have a few twists here and there. And I feel they add up they spice up the hairstyle, whatever hairstyle that you're doing. And yes, twists are easy and they're very good you can use them to keep your hair stretched. And it's also I like them because it does not apply tension on your scalp, just like you see. One of the things about me is that I don't like any form of tension. You can see, maybe that's the reason, you can see that my edges are still fine. Okay, so let's continue. So you just pick that one piece of the 4 twists and just tuck it right behind there. And if you cannot tuck it in, please make use of your bobby pins. Make use of your bobby pins, and that's it. The style is almost done. So I like to accessorize, not much, but sometimes the accessories just kind of give the hairstyle a different look. Okay, so guys, we're done. This is very simple, and you can achieve this hairstyle in less than 5 minutes. easy, queasy. You can easily go with it out. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to show you another way you can shape your bun. Another way you can shape your bun with this hairstyle. And for this one now, if you want a really big bun. So for this, you're going to need your string. There you are. Yes, that's my string. And you're going to put your string just above the twists, okay? Just like you see the way I'm doing it. And then you tie from underneath your hair. Please be careful, make sure you don't snag onto your hair. And then you start pulling, but not a lot of force, you see. Then you can use your hand to push the bun behind. And as you do, you pull a little bit. Remember, you're tightening it. You're tightening that. Yes, just like that. And for this bun, you can make it as low as you can or as big as you would like it to be. Okay? So, depending on the look that you're going for. If you want to make it smaller, then you can tighten it a little further. So you can see I'm now tightening. I'm now tying my string around it. My black string around it. And again, be very careful. Make sure the bun does not snag. Okay, so you're going to divide your hair into 2 equal parts. And then you're going to make loose twists. Loose twists, you're going to make 4 loose twists. Okay, just like I'm doing. Just like so. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. A big virtual hug. My subscribers, as usual, I want to give you a very big virtual hug. Thank you for the support. My channel is growing. You guys mean a lot to me. I don't take you for granted. I value you a lot. Keep watching. Keep sharing my videos. Let us keep growing together. So let me know which of the bun do you like? The first one where you just tuck your hair under the bun, or the second one? So comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. And share this video. Share this video with lazy naturals like myself, who may not necessarily know how to make, complicated hairstyles. But at the end of the day, you come up with something that is acceptable, that you can actually go out with, that can be worn to go out. Okay, so I'm almost done with the loose twists. Remember, these twists are so loose because at the end of it, we want to have volume. Okay, this hairstyle is also very chic. It's beautiful. And you can actually wear it, for work, for parties. Okay, so when you're done, you're now going to get your bobby pin. Still, you can get your bobby pin, or you can also tuck it. So you get that first part, tuck it right at the end of the other leg, okay? Just the way you see I'm doing it. Just like so. And then get that last part of the hair and pull it down, and also bring it and tuck it underneath that other one. You can use your bobby pin, but I found it was easy for me to tuck it in. Now you're left with the two inside, okay? So those two twists in the middle, get them, roll them together, and just tuck them underneath the bun. Okay? So you can decide you can tuck it tighter, but I like to make my hairstyles loose. I like to make my hairstyles loose because it's not good to have tension on your head. Now this style is almost done, guys. You can accessorize just like so. You can accessorize just like the way I'm doing. And then those two, you can tuck them back right under your bun. You can tuck them right under your bun, just like I'm doing. Now guys, I'm doing this hairstyle. I have no mirror. I'm not using a mirror, any form of mirror. So it may not really come out so perfect because I cannot check. But I'm just giving you ideas of how you can achieve a simple hairstyle like this. So you can accessorize more if you wish to, just like this, like so. Yeah, like that. Okay. Just like so. So we are almost done with this hairstyle, guys. So that's our style. That's the final look, guys. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you like this hairstyle. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.